Right. One more question on the board. If you see here, what is trying to say that x square plus y square equal. Show that x square plus y square equal to 1. Then the point x comma y root over 1 minus x square minus y square is at a distance 1 unit from the origin. Right. See, I have said you already. Now I am going to explain you all the additional models in this. Here, these are simple questions, but you need to understand the logic alone. Now, say what is given that show that x square plus y square equal to 1, then the point is at a distance from the origin is 1 unit, right? Now, x square plus y square equal to 1, it is given, am I right? Given. Now, this you carry that side. So, 0 is equal to 1 minus x square minus y square. Yeah? The point, what is the point? The point is x comma y comma root over 1 minus x square minus y square. This is given. From this now what you can say, x comma y comma root 0. It is nothing but x comma y comma 0. X comma y comma 0. Now we got the point. This point from the origin. Say from the origin. So distance between x comma y comma 0 and origin 0 comma 0 comma 0 is. Now we know the distance formula, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Alright. Now if I use that condition, this is x1 y1 z1 or x2 y2 z2 or vice versa. Then x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. Then what you are going to get it? X square plus y square plus 0 square, which is nothing but x square plus y square. But here given that x square plus y square equal to 1. So if you apply that one, root 1 is 1. So what we are trying to show that the distance, using this condition, the distance between this point and the origin is 1 unit. See what we got it? This completes the solution. Right. This is a very simple question, but you need to know the logic behind that one. If a is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 5 and b is equal to 3 comma 5 comma minus 4 or any 2 points, these 2 points joining a line segment, joined by a line segment, if the plane xy plane and yz plane divide the line segment AB in the ratios of a is to b and p is to q, in the ratios of a is to b and p is to q, then he is asking us to find out what is the value of a by p plus p by q. See, for this compulsory you need to know the formula, otherwise you are supposed to go for in-depth like such a prolonged answer. You are supposed to do that. See, divided by the xy plane, I said you minus z1 is to z2. Remember, divided by the formula I said clearly, divided by xy plane. It says that minus z1 is to z2 and divided by yz plane, it says that minus x1 is to x2. I have given clearly these formulas at last. Okay, using these formulas, we can tell the answer very easily. Minus z1 is to z2. So here, the points if you take it, that 2 comma 4 comma 5 and 3 comma 5 comma minus 4. You take this one x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Okay, now divided by my ratio minus z1 is to z2, right? So then if you take it, what you are going to get it? So ratio first one a is to b is equal to minus z1 is to z2, which is minus 5 is to minus 4, nothing but 5 is to 4 because minus minus cancel. Similarly, he said p is to q. P is to q is minus x1 is to x2. So minus x1 is to x2, then what you can write? Minus 2 is to 3. This is p by q. Minus 2 by 3. And here a by b, 5 by 4. Right? Now, go for finding the a by b plus p by q value. A by b value 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. So LCM is 12, 3 5s are 15, 4 2s are 8. So answer is 7 by 12. So what is the value? 7 by 12. So if you know the formula, then it is very easy. Otherwise, you have to do such a lengthiest one. This completes the solution. Right, one more question. If the centroid of the tetrahedron OABC, where A comma B comma C are given by A comma 2 comma 3 and 1 comma B comma 2 and 2 comma 1 comma C respectively, is 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. Then find the distance of P A comma B comma C from the origin is. This is actually, so far we have learned it how to find the centroid of the triangle. Similarly, tetrahedron. See, tetrahedron, it is like a, you know, already in chemistry I have seen the tetrahedron. It is a three-dimensional figure. See, let me draw it. It will be in the form of like this ABC. It's a three-dimensional figure, and it is a raised point one. See, one base and raised point. So suppose then P is a here. Like we can say that. So tetrahedron will be like this. So then see, in triangle we know that the centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 comma z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. Here the tetrahedron, the centroid formula, it will be centroid that it is given that the centroid. So centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 by 4 comma z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 whole divided by 4. Clear? Now whatever the given points, this is x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3, and the 0 comma 0 comma 0, because it's a OABC, right? OABC. So then that is x4 y4 z4. So then z is equal to, g already is given, how much? 1 comma 2 comma minus 1 is equal to, what you could say, x1 a plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 divided by 4 comma, next one y1 2 plus b plus 1 plus 0 divided by 4. Next one z1 is 3 plus 2 plus c plus 0 divided by 4. Clear? So now if you take this concept, then you have to compare the respective terms. When you compare the respective terms, what happens now? 1 is equal to a plus 3 by 4, then a plus 3 is equal to 4, then a is equal to 1. Next one. Right. Similarly, if you compare that one to b plus 3 by 4, is equal to 2, then b plus 3 is equal to 8 and b is equal to 5. Now c plus 5 by 4 is equal to minus 1, c plus 5 is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 9. So we got the points are like 1 comma 5 comma minus 9, 1 comma 5 comma minus 9. Now he is asking us to find the distance between the origin to that one. Say distance. This is almost complete a solution. The distance between, right? So distance between zero comma 0 and 1 comma 5 comma minus 9 is same. The distance formula, if you apply, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. If you apply the concept, what you will get it? Root over 0 minus 1 whole square 1 square, 0 minus 5 whole square 5 square, and 0 minus minus 9 whole square, 9 square. It is 1 plus 25 plus 81. 1 plus 21, 25 plus 81. So the total answer, simplified one, root 107 units. This completes the solution. Children, along with this, homework will be shared to you. You try to complete the homework, and as early as possible, please try to submit. Then I'll correct and get back to you, children. With this problem, I'm going to stop that. Thank you. Bye-bye.